Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I'm making an Iberico Solomillo a la Pimienta. So the first thing that we want to do is prep a couple of ingredients, so let's start with that. We're going to open up 2 small cans of green peppercorn in brine, and then we want to drain them and set aside. We got 1 yellow onion here, and we want to grate it as finely as we can and set aside. So let's open the package and start prepping it. We got 2 solomillos here, and they have good intramuscular fat, and they just taste amazingly. The only thing we're going to do with these, we're going to trim off some of the hard fat and some of the silver skin. Then we want to slice these into evenly thick slices, and check out this slide. We're going to season them lightly with salt and pepper, so we're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost on both sides. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's get to cooking. We're going to put a pan over high heat. Then we're going to melt a couple of tablespoons of really good unsalted butter. When the butter is melted, we're going to place the solomillo slices in the pan. Now we want to brown these on both sides. You don't have to worry about cooking them all the way through, because we're going to let them simmer in the sauce for a while as well. We got a nice color, so now we want to add about half a cup to a cup of brandy, and then flambe. And you want to make sure that you don't burn yourself when you do this. When the flames have died down, you want to remove the pork from the pan, and then we're going to add the grated onion and stir. And we also want to add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to reduce this for about a minute. Then we want to add 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then we want to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We also need to add some concentrated stock. I like to use pork stock. And I'm going to throw in about a tablespoon. Now we want to stir and simmer for a couple of minutes. And then we want to add the green peppercorns. We want to keep simmering for 3 to 4 minutes, so we are reducing the cream sauce slightly. And then we want to add the slices of solomillos back into the pan. Now you want to simmer this until the slices reaches an inner temperature of about 145 degrees. Then this wonderful, creamy and filling dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Iberico Solomillo a la Pimienta, or sirloin in pepper sauce. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this creamy, delicious dish and see what it tastes like. Oh. Great flavor from the pepper sauce. The solomillo basically melts in your mouth. This is so awesome. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.